February 27, 2026 Evening News Summary, New York Time, covering 6 evening to 10 night. Don't forget to subscribe before we start, so you don't miss out on the latest international news. News 1, UN Security Council adopts Gaza ceasefire resolution. The UN Security Council voted 14-0, with Russia abstaining, to adopt a resolution demanding an immediate ceasefire in Gaza for the month of Ramadan. The resolution calls for the unconditional release of all hostages and urgent humanitarian access. The U.S. did not veto, marking a shift in its diplomatic stance, increasing pressure on Israel and Hamas. News 2, ECB holds rates, hints at June cut. The European Central Bank kept its three key interest rates unchanged, as expected. President Lagarde stated that while inflation is easing, the Governing Council needs more confidence, with new projections in June being crucial for a potential first rate cut. The euro weakened 0.3% against the dollar to 1.0820 following the announcement. News 3, U.S. durable goods orders fall sharply in January. New orders for U.S.-made durable goods fell 6.1% in January, the largest drop since April 2020, significantly missing forecasts of a 4.5% decline. The data, led by a plunge in civilian aircraft orders, signals potential softness in business investment and manufacturing sector momentum at the start of Q1. News 4, oil prices surge on geopolitical tensions. Brent crude futures jumped 3.2% to settle at $84.50 per barrel, while WTI rose 3.5% to $80.15. The surge was driven by the UN ceasefire vote raising Middle East uncertainty and a larger-than-expected draw in U.S. crude inventories reported by the EIA, which fell by 4.5 million barrels last week. News 5, Nikkei 225 closes at new record high. Japan's Nikkei 225 stock average surged 2.1% to close at 42,150.28, setting a new all-time high. The rally was fueled by strong earnings from major exporters and continued weakness in the yen, which traded above 151 per dollar, boosting the outlook for overseas profits. News 6, Canada retaliates with digital services tax. The Canadian government announced it will move forward with implementing its digital services tax on large foreign tech companies, effective from January 1, 2024. This decision, defying U.S. pressure for further delay, risks triggering trade retaliation from Washington and escalating transatlantic tax disputes. That's all for today's news. See you next time.